Hello students, welcome to ATC. In this video, we will see the conversion of regular expression to FSM with one example. So let us take this example, design FSM for the regular expression ABC star. So this can also be given as AB, I can give it as regular expression is equal to ABC star. Okay, because as in the previous video I have taught you that the priority of the operators, the first priority will go to star and then dot operator and then the plus operator. So according to that, in this example we have dot operator and then star operator. So since we have star is having the highest precedence, so C star means the clean star operator should be applied only to C now here. Okay, so according to the theorem, we will be just looking into the expression here, which is having A followed by B followed by C star now. Okay, so according to this, we will let us just split this into the expressions, small expressions, and then we will combine them to make it into the equivalent FSM here. Okay, so let us just make it into, first let me try with drawing the FSM for AB, and then I will make it to C star, and then I am going to combine. Okay, so let us see how to draw the FSM to accept AB. So according to the theorem, it is A dot B. That means A followed by B. So the expression looks like this. The FSM we will write now. The expression is AB and the equivalent FSM, let us do like this, which is having Q naught and then it is A followed by B. So I will have Q1 and then I will have Q2. Only for this expression AB, this becomes the final state. Okay, so I will have let's say A now. It reads A, the machine reads A, and after A, it should be followed by B. Okay, A followed by B, so it will reach the state Q2. Let me take this as the final state only for this expression AB now, not to anything else. So this is the equivalent expression. This is the equivalent FSM for the expression AB. Very simple one. Okay. Now let us move on to drawing FSM for accepting C star now. So the regular expression is C star. I'm having one symbol C here. So the expression goes like this. Let us say I am at Q2 now and I should be actually combining it. Okay, so I will start with the next state Q3 now. I assume that Q3 is my start state for C star now. So according to the theorem, when we have clean star here, so it will be followed by, let's say, Q4. Upon reading epsilon, it will move to Q4, and then it will read the expression, regular expression. So what is the regular expression? I have C. So it will read C now. It will read C once and it will reach the final state. Okay. Let's assume that Q6 is the final state for C star now, nothing else. Okay. So it will read epsilon, then it will read the regular the symbol C, and then it will reach the final state. Okay, so since it is C star, without reading C, it can reach the final state as well. You know that, okay? In the previous video, we have C. So it can reach the final state without reading C as well. It is like 0 or more number of occurrences. So this is for 0 occurrences. And this is like 1 occurrence. Okay, but I can read any number of times, correct? So once you read C, then it can again go back, read any number of C's. So I should have a loop here from Q5 to Q4 here, now upon epsilon. So now what happens? It will read C and it can reach the final state, 1C. But once it reads 1C, it can go back, read another C. another C, any number of C's it can read. And at the same time, it can read 0 number of C's also. Okay, so this is the equivalent FSM for C star. So I hope you are clear with these two now. Okay, now what is the next thing we have to do is we have split, in fact, okay, the expression into two different expressions. Now we need to combine it using dot operator. Okay, so we will write the FSM for A, B, C star. So it looks like this. Whatever we had done for AB, I am going to write it here. So which is having with the start state, assume that Q0 is a start state, and then we will have Q1, and I am reading A here, and after this I will be reading B now. Okay, so this is what we had done for AB. Now, which should be followed by C star. So now what I do is, here itself I am merging these two. Okay, now look at this. I am merging AB and C star. So Q2 becomes my Q3 here. That means here from Q2 itself I will be starting C star. Okay, so here after reading epsilon, it will reach Q3, it will reach Q3, and then it will read, I'm just merging these two, okay, but I'm just, what I did is, when I combine these two expressions, Q2, Q3 become one here. That's what I did here. So after AB, directly I will move on with C star. So it will read epsilon, then it will read C. After reading C, it can reach the final state Q5. It can reach the final state Q5 upon reading epsilon. Or now this is the start state for my C star. So from here you can move on to Q5 directly here upon reading epsilon here. Okay, so this part is for C star now. Okay, and then from Q4 I can read Q3 upon epsilon, because I can read any number of C's now. So this will be my FSM for regular expression A, B, C star. Okay, so in the exam, what you can do is you can split this into A, B and C star like this. Okay, draw them separately, and finally you can attach them like this. So since it is AB followed by C star, I am combining it. Suppose it is AB plus C star, then AB one part will come here like this, and the other one will go like this. Okay, so you know what is A plus B here. Okay, so that part you should be a little confident. Okay, so this is the solution for FSM of ABC star. Okay. Now we will move on with the next question. The next question is, convert the following regular expression to FSM, which is having AB followed by A plus B. Okay, so again we can split it into AB first, and then A plus B. I will make a separate FSM, and then I will combine them using dot operator. Okay, so what is a FSM for accepting AB? Very simple. Just like that you have in the previous example you saw, right? So the same way we will have Q0, Q1, and then we have Q2. Okay, so this becomes the final state for AB only. Do not consider this in the final expression. Okay, so this is A, this is B as such. Okay, and next one is A plus B. So how do you accept A plus B? Let us see. So since I stopped at Q2, let me start at Q3 here. Okay, it's all your wish. If you wanted to just join, no, just like the previous example, you can start at Q2 itself here. Since I'm splitting it into, I'm writing it, I will make separate states here, Q3. Okay, so A plus B means I will have Q4, let me take it as Q4. Upon reading epsilon, it can read the first input symbol, that is A. A. Okay. Similarly, it can read A or it can read B as well. right? Q5, then I will take Q6. In Q6 upon epsilon, it can read Q6, and then Q7, and it can read B. So it is like either A or B, and it will reach the final state. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 now. Q8 now. So this becomes the final state for A plus B separately. Okay, and upon reading epsilon, it can reach the final state. So this is the theorem we saw in the previous video. Okay, so we know how to draw A plus B. So what is the next thing you have to do? You have to combine AB followed by, which is a dot, AB dot A plus B. So you can combine them together. So let us write Q0 first and then Q1. Okay, so I will write A, Q2, which is B, and then I should follow this by A plus B. Okay, so here itself I can make it into Q2, let's say Q3, Q4. Okay, this is epsilon, this is A. I'm just combining the previous two FSMs. So Q5 and then Q6. So this becomes epsilon, this is B, either A or B, and then I will combine them and this becomes my final state. Okay, so this you have to remember, guys, that how to write A plus B or 0 plus 1, whatever it is, plus operator, and then how to go for concatenation operator, how to go for star operator. So this is my final FSM for the given regular expression.